Hey guys, this is Kathy with Just Out and About. We are here checking in at Aventura Hotel and thought we would take you on a little tour of our room here. So stick with us and we'll get right to it. This is a standard room at Aventura. It's room 1006. And this is a standard room. Got some cubby holes there for your towels. Sink. A little space there for stuff. And here is your towels, your toilet, and your shower. And they have a little, I guess a shower. No, that's just the design. Okay. But no tub in this room anyway. I'm not sure if any of the rooms have them or not. That's a nice little divider between the room and your bathroom area. Looks like we have coffee maker here, ice bucket, and some coffee cups. Your trash can and a desk. Oh, okay, well that opened up, and got a small fridge there. There's your TV, nice desk. Put things, let's see. You got 2 drawers here, 3 drawers here. Kind of like a seat. A modern lamp, I would say. It's a nice sleek design, I would say. I like that the floor is not carpet. You've got a bedside table with some drawer space. I'm not sure if that bottom, I don't think the bottom one opens. And charging back there, which is nice. This is apparently another lamp. And this is your keypad that controls various things. Right now we have it on the TV. We noticed these right here and we thought, well, that's wasted space, but it's actually not wasted space because there's your ironing board. Let's see, there's your iron. So that's very nice indeed. So we're wondering where the safe was. And you got more space up here. So yeah, like I said, this was a standard room, but it looks like we got a pretty dang nice view over here. I'm not sure if we got upgraded or what. But if you're looking for, and there's Cabana Bay, if you're looking for a room with a nice view, 1006 might be it. Alright guys, so that's it for this tour. Be sure you check out all of our room tours. I think we've covered a good many of them now. The only one we don't have is the hotel is Portofino Bay, and that's on our bucket list. So stay tuned and hopefully we'll have one from there soon. Bye guys.